Hey everyone, thanks for taking a second here to help me with this tough question. Should I replace the frame on this? So this is an Austin Healey. It's either 59 or 60. I can't remember which one this is. And it has a bent frame. So the question is, do you replace the whole frame? So here's what I noticed. I'm starting to notice some stuff. So you see right here where we got this. This has obviously been an accident. And it's hit really hard. And when you look underneath here, you see this whole frame was crushed in. Okay, it's not rusted, but it's crushed in. Then I started, and this is the other side. Then I start noticing stuff like this. So, these are obviously the purchase for the engine, and I know that is not a factory bracing. So I wonder why somebody put that there on both sides. And then I notice on this side, it also has a little booger weld right there. So I'm not sure what that's all about. But the bracing again on both sides there. Also notice that when I was looking back, you see this one post, right? I actually just bent that back, but this is way across, meaning, the car was hit like this. And so when I started doing some measurements in the front, I noticed it was off. Now I could bring it to a frame shop and get them to bend that back, but I started noticing things like that, like the bulkhead. You can see that thing was definitely hit. And so this whole side must have been shoved back in. So why I'm asking about replacing the frame is right here. Can you see that dimpling right there? That's an old weld up by that bulkhead. I know it's hard to see. I'm gonna come on the other side, but check this out. But right here, I can feel it. And that's a weld line where someone has cut in this frame rail, which is the whole thing. It could be that whole front end has been replaced. I don't know. And so the question is, do you build off of that? I looked inside there, believe it or not, and when I lower this quick jack, I could see inside and it seemed like there was a seam. You see that right there? Let me try to see if I can't get a flashlight. Hang on. So right there, you can see, it's really hard to pick it out, but at the bottom, you can see a little weld line. So that's the repair that was done. And I don't know if you should trust it. That's what I'm worried about. I mean, the rest of the frame, you can see, looks terrific. There's no rust. Push this out, you can see under there at the riggers. That looks pretty good. I mean, there's little stuff, right? But there's no like holes through it. Again, when I get over here, let me see, sticking in the frame. See the frame itself? There's not a hole in the frame aside from that. Even in the back here, see if I can get it. So the question is, do you replace the frame? And I don't know. And all of it, the cross member, let me get this light out of here. But this cross member, all that stuff is solid under there. This is what you're looking at. See, there's no holes in it. So do you bring, right? And here's the engine area, or the cockpit. I mean, there's that piece has to get replaced, not a big deal, right? But like, aside from that, what do you do? So what do you do? What do you do?